Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Abdullah here. So today, as you all know, is Friday, and so I'm going to the Friday prayer. So today I'm going to be wearing this shoes, blue ones, you know. So after wearing it, I'm going to show you the whole outfit. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscription button for more video. Peace. Yo, what's up? Y'all know what it is. Look, I'm wearing this for Friday prayer. My outfit. I hope you can see all, but it's not a case. When I go outside, I'm gonna show you the whole outfit. Outfit check, guys. Rate my outfit from 1 to 10. Yeah. So see you outside, and yeah, let's go.
Give a damn about a
So
hater when I
guys,
feel like it.
wow,
Not today, not today,
beautiful day,
not
guys.
today, not tomorrow. Get
The
out my
sun is
way, please, I'm
shining.
tryna get
Great
paid.
weather.
Not today, not
Wow,
today,
great
not
weather.
today, not tomorrow. Get out my way,
Guys,
please,
I'm
I'm
gonna show
tryna
you
get
my
paid.
outfit real quick.
27 years. I ain't gone for
I
20
am
years.
gonna show you
Seeing
my
you bitches
outfit
flexing
real
and
quick.
finessing the shit. You know I ain't never hate. They seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake. Bitch, that's how
Yo
I know you
guys, I
fake.
hope you
Get
have
it
seen
straight.
all of my outfit from top to the down. Let's see. The shoe I'm wearing. So we know. Yo guys, as you can see, I'm right now at the train station. The place I'm in right now, it's called Got 9. I'm gonna join that one. So that one gonna take me to the main train station. From there, I will join the Straßenbahn. This local one, then that gonna take me to the mosque. Probably it's gonna be like join it right now. And now I'm about to show you the joining process, how it's joined together, guys. That one and that one gonna join together right now. So let me show you. Be excited. Yeah. This is how the inside their trains look like, guys.
Komm, sprich mal Englisch.
Gut.
Nein, gut, Alter. Oh, ich rauche jetzt so von meine Gabel.
The city is too much of people. The sun is shining. Guys, that's Rasimban I'm gonna take, you know. That's gonna drive me to the mosque right now.